must be heard in this house. Mr. Speaker, I'm standing on Standing Order 100 and Article 124 of the Constitution of Kenya on establishment and committee of standing orders. Did you hear? The Parliamentary Service Commissioner, where the majority side, we assisted him to become the commissioner, calling, Mr. Speaker, calling the majority, Mr. Speaker. We are allowing bad precedent in this house, Mr. Speaker. Let the standing orders be followed, even if there is a court order, which I am not aware of, which is not there, Mr. Speaker. You can howl and shout at the law you want. Mr. Speaker, Senator Sifuna should be telling Sakaja to fix potholes which are deeper than dimples instead of shouting us in the house. Mr. Speaker, can you direct the Parliamentary Service Commissioner, Senior Counsel Okong'o Omogeni, who is now embarrassing the people who are learning from him by calling the majority leader minority to withdraw and apologize to the majority leader and the House, Mr. Speaker? I don't know why the minority are making noise. Mr. Speaker, can you at least tell them to follow the law? Let us follow the Constitution, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, just for the record, and because I know Senator Cherargei is slow in reading some of this judgment, I've been magnanimous enough just now and I've sent him the petition from High Court, petition 202 of 2023. Mr. Speaker, if you can permit, may you direct Senator Cherargei to withdraw from the House, go and read the judgment, understand it, then he comes back to the House, Mr. Speaker. Because I know he's a junior lawyer, he doesn't catch up very quickly with some of these new developments of jurisprudence. So if you give him about half an hour, he will withdraw, read the judgment. I've just sent it to him now. He will need like 30 minutes. When he comes back, I'm sure he will be well knowledgeable on the happenings around. Now, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I first want to, on a serious note, support the membership that has been